Hello, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm Siren Guy, and happy Thanksgiving. Today I am going to be doing a fire alarm tour at the Holiday Inn in CarlsBad, New Mexico. First of all, we got an EST horn. Alright, we're gonna go outside into the hallway. I forgot to show you that we got EST smoke detectors. We also got EST horn strobes. We got EST 278B Siga. Oh. Let me pause this camera. Okay, we got another EST Genesis. My damn camera is freezing up, so I'm gonna do as much as I could. Okay. Another EST Genesis? No, EST Sega. Of course, EST smoke detector. We're gonna take the elevator to there's 3 floors, but I'm gonna go on the second to first, because I don't want to get lost. Maybe I could go on the 3rd floor really quick. Come the fuck on. I'm about to lose my mind. Who is taking the... Here we go. Hello.
Hi.
Alright, we're gonna take the elevator. Not an elevator enthusiast, but it would be cool to know the model of this elevator. Damn buzzers. So annoying. Good evening. Happy Thanksgiving. Right, we got another EST Genesis. Let's make this tour really quick. People are trying to sweep. EST Sega. We got a floor mount exit sign with the exit lights. Another EST Genesis. We gotta be very quiet. We got EST Sega. Another EST Genesis. Alright, we're gonna go back down to the elevator. Because I'm supposed to go into the hot tub. Okay, so I'm going to stop at 3 other hotels this week. So I might do a fire alarm tour there. Okay, when you pause the camera. Okay, so let's go to 4-1. We gotta be very careful, because people are gonna look at me weird. Okay, thank God no one's using the elevator. The panel is in the front, but I am not gonna bother because someone's there and I don't want to risk getting in trouble. So I'm gonna not risk it. But it's an EST panel of some sort. If I could, I'll take a picture of it. Okay. Well, let's look at it again. There is an EST Genesis with an EST Sega. When I was pulling in outside, I think outside are Spectral Classics. Now, let's go to our final destination, which is the pool area, which is where I need to be anyway. I need it. Here we go. Okay. Good thing no one's here. Okay. We got an Spectral Advance. Now we're gonna turn around. We got another EST Siga behind the stopper ones with the horn, which the horn might be either on or off. I don't know. I'm not gonna even bother because I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, I think this includes the entire, well, not entire, everything I could get in this Fire Alarm tour at the Holiday Inn in Carlsbad, New Mexico. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna stop at 2 other hotels, so I'll probably do tours of them. So that includes this somewhat of a tour, as I didn't got anything, not even the panel that is in the front, because it was guarded by someone in the front decks, and I would have not risked getting in trouble. Oh, I see my parents, my stepdad and my mom. So anyway, I think that includes everything in this Fire Alarm 24-wheel this time. So stick around, I'm gonna do another tour of the other hotels that I'm gonna go visit. So we're out.